Hello everyone, welcome back to Archana's Teaching Hub. This is part 2 of the CTET CDP MAHA Marathon. In the previous part, we solved 60 high level questions. In this video, we will complete the remaining 40 questions. These are not theory based MCQs, they are classroom based, teacher decision, and examiner oriented questions. Keep your pen and paper ready, attempt honestly, and note your score. Let's continue. Question number 61. A teacher notices that a child understands concepts orally but struggle in a written expression. The most appropriate support is option A, reduce content, option B, provide oral assessment only, option C, skillful writing gradually, option D, label the child as weak. Correct answer is option C, skillful writing gradually. Gradual scaffolding helps bridge the gap between oral language and written expression. Question number 62. Which classroom practice best reflect learner autonomy? Option A, teacher decide everything. Option B, students set personal learning goals. Option C, strict instructions. Option D, repetition of notes. Correct answer is option B, students set personal learning goals. Learner autonomy develops when students take ownership of learning. Question number 63. A child believes rules exist to maintain fairness, not fear. This reflects option A, pre-conventional morality, option B, heteronomous morality, option C, autonomous morality, option D, punishment orientation. Correct answer is option C, autonomous morality. Understanding fairness and intent shows autonomous moral reasoning. Question number 64. Which teacher action most suppose transfer of learning? Option A, memorizing formulas. Option B, using same examples repeatedly. Option C, applying concepts in a new situations. Option D, speed testing. Correct answer is option C, applying concepts in a new situations. Transfer occurs when learners apply knowledge in unfamiliar contexts. Question number 65. A teacher encourages multiple correct answers for a question. This promotes option A, confusion, option B, convergent thinking, option C, divergent thinking, option D, rote learning. Correct answer is option C, divergent thinking. Multiple answers encourage divergent and creative thinking. Question number 66. Which assessment best identifies specific learning difficulties? Option A, annual exam. Option B, ranking. Option C, diagnostic assessment. Option D, norm reference test. Correct answer is option C, diagnostic assessment. Diagnostic assessment helps locate exact learning gaps. Question number 67. A child performs well when praised for a effort but not when praised for intelligence. This supports option A, fixed mindset theory, option B, growth mindset theory, option C, behaviorism, option D, genetic determinism. Correct answer is option B, growth mindset theory. Effort based price builds reliance and growth mindset. Question number 68. Which practice most discourages inclusive education? Option A, flexible teaching. Option B, peer support. Option C, segregating learners. Option D, assistive strategies. Correct answer is option C, segregating learners. Segregation contradict the core principle of inclusion. Question number 69. A teacher integrate discussion, drawing and role play in a one lesson. This shows Option A, confusion. Option B, overteaching. Option C, multimodal instruction. Option D, lack of planning. Correct answer is option C, multimodal instruction. Multimodal teaching addresses divergent learning needs. Question number 17. A child solves problems better after verbalizing thoughts aloud. This indicates development of option A, conditioning, option B, private speech, option C, rote memory, option D, reinforcement. Correct answer is option B, private speech. According to Vygotsky, private speech support self-regulation. Question number 71. Which classroom practice best promotes cooperative learning? Option A, individual ranking. Option B, silent work. Option C, group task with shared goals. Option D, competitive quizzes. Correct answer is option C, group task with the shared goals. Shared goals build cooperation and social learning. Question number 72. A teacher accepts mistakes as a part of learning. This belief reflects option A, authoritative teaching. Option B, constructivist approach. Option C, behaviorist approach. Option D, mechanical learning. Correct answer is option B, constructivist approach. Constructivism treats error as learning opportunities. Question number 73. A child excels in understanding others' emotions. This is strength in option A, intrapersonal intelligence. Option B, interpersonal intelligence. Option C, logical intelligence. Option D, spatial intelligence. Correct answer is option B, interpersonal intelligence. Interpersonal intelligence relates to empathy and social understanding. Question number 74. Which teacher action most supports metacognition? Option A, giving answers. Option B, asking students to reflect on strategies. Option C, speed testing. Option D, repetition. Correct answer is option B, asking students to reflect on strategies. Metacognition involves thinking about one's own thinking. Question number 75. A teacher avoids public comprehension of marks. This helps in option A, competition. Option B, ranking. Option C, emotional well-being. Option D, discipline. Correct answer is option C, emotional well-being. Avoiding comparison protects self esteem and motivation. Question number 76. Which principle explain why children first learn to hold objects before writing? Option A, proximo-distal. Option C, cephodical. Option C, readiness principle. Option D, individual difference. Correct answer is option C, readiness principle. Fine motor skills develop after basic motor readiness. Question number 77. A teacher designs activities slightly above students' current level. This reflects option A, conditioning. Option B, zone of proximal development. Option C, trial and error. Option D, maturation. Correct answer is option B, zone of proximal development. Effective learning happens in a zone of proximal development with support. Question number 78. Which learning situation best support experimental learning? Option A, note dictation. Option B, lecture. Option C, project based activity. Option D, memorization. Correct answer is option C, project based activity. Experiential learning is based on doing and reflecting. Question number 79. A child shows anxiety only during exams. This suggests option A, low intelligence. Option B, contest specific stress. Option C, permanent disorder. Option D, lack of preparation. Correct answer is option B, context specific stress. Stress can situation uh, specific, not permanent. Question number 80. Which assessment focuses on learning progress rather than comparison? Option A non-reference. Option B summative. Option C criterion reference. Option D ranking. Correct answer is option C criteria or oriented reference. Criterion reference assessment measure mastery of objectives. Question number 81. A teacher integrates students' cultural backgrounds into lessons. This supports option A bias, option B irrelevance, option C culturally responsive teaching, option D distraction. Correct answer is option C culturally responsive teaching. Connecting culture with learning improves engagement and relevance. Question number 82. Which factor most influence concept formation? Option A repetition only. Option B meaningful interaction. Option C punishment. Option D speed. Correct answer is option B meaningful interaction. Concept from through meaningful experiences and interaction. Question number 83. A child learns better by teaching peers. This indicates option A passive learning, option B social learning, option C mechanical learning, option D conditioning. Correct answer is option B social learning. Teaching others depends understanding versus social learning. Question number 84. Which teacher believes most supports child centered education? Option A teacher controls learning. Option B child is an active learner. Option C knowledge is fixed. Option D learning is memorization. Correct answer is option B child is an active learner. Child centered education view learners as active constructors. Question number 85. A teacher plans lessons considering emotional needs. This supports option A discipline, option B emotional intelligence, option C mechanical learning, option D ranking. Correct answer is option B emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence supports better learning and adjustment. Question number 86. Which practice best promotes democratic classroom culture? Option A one way teaching, option B student voice and discussion, option C strict silence, option D fear based control. Correct answer is option B student voice and discussion. Democracy in a class encourages participation and respect. Question number 87. A child progress differently in a math and language. This shows development is option A uniform, option B linear, option C domain specific, option D random. Correct answer is option C domain specific. Development can vary across domains. Question number 88. Which assessment helps students become reflective learners? Option A ranking, option B self assessment, option C annual exam, option D grading. Correct answer is option B self assessment. Self assessment builds reflection and responsibility. Question number 89. A teacher connects new context with prior knowledge. This supports option A rote learning, option B meaningful learning, option C mechanical learning, option D conditioning. Correct answer is option B meaningful learning. New learning is effective when linked to existing schemas. Question number 90. Which practice best supports intrinsic motivation? Option A marks, option B rewards, option C curiosity driven task, option D punishment. Correct answer is option C curiosity driven task. Intrinsic motivation comes from interest and enjoyment. Question number 91. A teacher gives descriptive feedback instead of grades. This mainly helps. Option A comparison, option B improvement, option C ranking, option D competition. Correct answer is option B improvement. Descriptive feedback guides learning improvement. Question number 92. Which approach best supports learners with diverse needs? Option A, one textbook method. Option B, differentiated instruction. Option C, uniform space. Option D, competition. Correct answer is option B, differentiated instruction. Differentiation adapts teaching to learner diversity. Question number 93. A child's confidence improves when teacher listens empathetically. This shows importance of option A, authority, option B, emotional support, option C, content load, option D, discipline. Correct answer is option B, emotional support. Empathy builds trust and emotional security. Question number 94. Which strategy most help learner other thinking? Higher order thinking. Option A, recall questions. Option B, open-ended problems. Option C, drill practice. Option D, memorization. Correct answer is option B, open-ended problems. Open-ended task promotes analysis and evaluation. Question number 95. A teacher values mistakes as feedback for a teaching. This reflects option A, negligence, option B, diagnostic teaching, option C, punitive approach, option D, rigid planning. Correct answer is option B, diagnostic teaching. Errors guide instructional improvement. Question number 96. Which beliefs aligns most with progressive education? Option A, learning by memorization. Option B, learning by doing. Option C, teacher authority. Option D, fixed curriculum. Correct answer is option B, learning by doing. Progressive education empathizes active learning. Question number 97. A child understands better after decision with peers. This supports option A, individual learning only. Option B, social constructivism. Option C, conditioning. Option D, maturation. Correct answer is option B, social constructivism. Knowledge is constructed through social interaction. Question number 98. Which classroom behavior of teacher most supports motivation? Option A, praise. Option B, comparison. Option C, encouragement and feedback. Option D, strict control. Correct answer is option C, encouragement and feedback. Positive feedback enhance motivation and engagement. Question number 99. A teacher believes every child can learn with supports. This reflect option A, fixed mindset. Option B, deficit view. Option C, inclusive belief system. Option D, genetic determinism. Correct answer is option C, inclusive belief system. Inclusive belief seeks potential in every learner. Question number 100. The ultimate aim of CDP based teaching is option A, complete syllabus. Option B, score marks. Option C, support holistic child development. Option D, control classroom. Correct answer is option C, support holistic child development. CDP focuses on holistic development, cognitive, emotional, and social. That's all. You have successfully completed all 100 high level application based questions of the CTET CDP MAHA Marathon. If you seriously attempt these questions, you are already thinking like a CTET selected teacher. Comment your final score out of 100 below. Share this marathon with serious aspirants. Remember, CTET is not about memorizing theories, it is about applying child psychology in a real classroom. Till then, keep learning, keep watching. Thank you. See you in the next video.